people know too much about you. I don't care if you're black, white, short, tall, fat, skinny, rich or poor. If you respect me, I will respect you. Your mind is like a magnet. If you think of blessings, you will attract blessings. If you think of problems, you will attract problems. Always think good thoughts and always stay positive. One tree can make 1 lakh matchsticks, but one matchstick can burn 1 lakh trees. Moral: one negative thought can burn all positive thoughts. Never forget 2 people in your life. The person who was with you in every pain, your mother. The person who lost everything just to make you win, your father. Once you carry your own water, you will learn the value of every drop. Happy people focus on what they have. Unhappy people focus on what's missing. When your parents are not rich but still afford to give you a beautiful life, appreciate their sacrifices. Time is free, but it's priceless. You can't own it, but you can use it. You can't keep it, but you can spend it. Once you've lost it, you can never get it back. A good apology has 3 parts. 1. I'm sorry. 2. It's my fault. 3. What can I do to make it right? Most people forget the 3rd part. When problems come into your life like non-stop rain, remember that your positive attitude will always be your umbrella. Never misuse the one who likes you. Never say busy to the one who needs you. Never cheat the one who really trusts you. Never forget the one who always remembers you. Your situation is nothing. Your response is everything. Be careful who you talk to. A listening ear is also a running mouth. No matter how badly someone treats you, never drop down to their level. Remain calm, stay strong, and walk away. Never argue with an idiot. They will drag you down to their level and beat you with experience. You can't always be nice. That's how people take advantage of you. Sometimes you need to set boundaries. Never respond to rudeness. When people are rude to you, they reveal who they are, not who you are. Don't take it personally, just be silent. The most expensive liquid in the world is a tear. It's 1% water and 99% feelings. Think before you hurt someone. Having 1,000 friends isn't a miracle. The miracle is to have a friend who'll stand by you when thousands are against you. Don't be afraid of losing people. Be afraid of losing yourself by trying to please everyone around you. Pay attention to people that care, who are always there, who want better for you. They're your people. A person's most beautiful asset is not a head full of knowledge, but a heart full of love, an ear ready to listen, and a hand willing to help others. Always have a unique character like salt. Its presence is not felt, but its absence makes all things tasteless. The happiest people don't have the best of everything. They just make the best of everything. Relationships are like birds. If you hold tightly, they die. If you hold loosely, they fly. But if you hold with care, they remain with you forever. Do not educate your child to be rich. Educate them to be happy. So when they grow up, they'll know the value of things, not the price. Happiness starts with you, not with your relationships, not with your job, not with your money, not with your circumstances, but with you. A bird sitting on a tree is never afraid of the branch breaking because her trust is not on the branch but on its own wings. Always believe in yourself. If you can't be a pencil to write someone's happiness, then try to be a nice eraser to remove their sadness. Don't trust too much. Don't love too much. Don't hope too much. Because that too much can hurt so much. All the problems are stuck between mind and matter. If you don't mind, it doesn't matter. Never judge people by their past. People learn, people change, people move on. Today, spend more time with people who bring out the best in you, not the stress in you. Life is the most difficult exam. Many people fail because they try to copy others, not realizing that everyone has a different question paper. Never compare yourself to someone else. Knowledge will give you power, but good character will give you respect. Every teacher once was a student. Every winner once was a loser. Every expert once was a beginner. But all of them have crossed the bridge called learning. Life isn't about pleasing everyone. It is about hurting no one. The mind is like water. When it's turbulent, it's difficult to see. When it's calm, everything becomes clear. Don't skip any step, because it's difficult to start again. When I was a child, I was afraid of ghosts. As I grew up, I realized people are more scary. A little progress each day adds up to big results. Every story has an end, but in life, every end is a new beginning. Thanks for watching. Please comment which one of these were your favorite quote.